Welcome my channel Dynamic Fitness Journey. In this video you will learn about the anatomy and physiology of vertebral column, also called spine or backbone, with the help of 3D animation. The vertebral column, also known as the backbone or spine, is a crucial part of our axial skeleton. It starts at the neck and extends down to the deep pelvis region, providing a base or framework for our entire skeleton. In addition to this, the spinal cord is located within the center of the vertebral column, which the vertebral column helps protect. The vertebral column is made up of 33 vertebrae. The term vertebrae refers to all the bones that form the vertebral column, while vertebra is used to describe a single bone in the column. The vertebral column is divided into 5 sections. The top section is called the cervical vertebrae, which consists of 7 vertebrae. These vertebrae are numbered from C1 to C7. Below the cervical vertebrae is the thoracic region, which has 12 vertebrae. These are numbered from T1 to T12. Next, in the lower back region, we have the lumbar vertebrae, which consists of 5 vertebrae, numbered from L1 to L5. As we move from the top to the bottom of the vertebral column, each lower vertebra is larger than the one above it. The vertebrae in the lumbar region are the largest and strongest because this area supports the entire body and carries all the weight above it. After this, in the pelvic region, we have the sacral vertebrae, which consists of 5 vertebrae that are fused together and counted as a single bone. These vertebrae are located in the middle of the hip bone. Finally, at the end of the vertebral column, there is the coccyx vertebrae, which is made up of 4 small fused vertebrae. This is also considered a single bone and is often referred to as the tailbone in humans. It's considered a vestigial organ serving as evidence of evolution. So the vertebral column is made up of 26 bones formed from 33 vertebrae. Single vertebra, the cylindrical part, is called the vertebral body. The presence of this region gives the vertebral column strength and the ability to bear weight. Between each pair of vertebrae, there is a vertebral disc made of cartilage, which provides some flexibility to the vertebral column and protects it from injury. The outer region of the vertebral disc is called the annulus, made from fibrocartilage, which is a tough type of cartilage. In the middle of the annulus, there is the nucleus pulposus, which contains fluid. The presence of vertebral discs allows the vertebral column to absorb shocks and provides a little movement. Outside the vertebral body, there is a hollow space called the vertebral foramen. This region contains the spinal cord. Additionally, each vertebra has parts that stick out, called processes. The process that sticks out from the spinal cord hole is called the spinous process. Ligaments and tendons attach to this process, connecting to the back muscles. On each side of the spinous process, there are side projections called transverse processes. This is where the ribs and muscles attach. Also, on the top and bottom sides of each vertebra, there are small processes. The process on the upper side is called the superior articular process, while the one on the lower side is the